Watching news, which is no good, darling. You've been in that for over 3 hours now, since 5 o'clock. That's not your job. You've just been watching Trump.
No, I'm not watching Trump.
You did. It's been 2 months now. All I can say is about Trump. Why is it there so issue about a lot of Trump? It seems he's a good president, you know. So now, this is the lesson that I'm going to do. Okay, this is teaching my husband. Can you put the like? I'm going to teach you how to speak. I'm going to.
I was quite happy watching Carl Vonnegut.
No, you're watching Trump.
No, I wasn't.
So.
Do you want me to talk you down?
No. Yeah, I didn't go out today, right?
No, you didn't. That's
yeah,
true.
I got my off and on favor.
You're off and on fever?
Yeah, you know, it's been, what do you call that? But it's not, let's not talk about my on and off favor.
Well, you started.
Yeah, sometimes I just not feel really good, you know. So, I'm going to teach you. Listen. I'm going to teach in the hard way of the Visayan lesson, okay? So I'm going to teach you because that's a problem. You don't learn, okay? Bisaya. Okay. You say,
Honey,
I'm going to
are you on something?
We don't have video.
I don't recognize this person.
We don't have video. I'm sleepy now. We don't have video because you've been watching So now we're gonna do videos of what do you call that? Why is it so light? So
what went over?
Your wine. You put the wine and then
Did you put the top on?
No, it's empty. Remember, you drink all. Yeah, so I'm going to teach you Visayan and then you ask me in English. For example, cat, okay? The Visayan of that, because we have cat, so you don't need to say cat, right? You're going to say in Bisaya. Okay? So cat, the Visayan is earring.
Earring.
What's the Visayan of cat?
Earring.
What's the English of two earring? Two earring. Two cat. What's the English?
Earrings.
No, it's English.
Don't put just an S on the end.
No. That's Bisaya earring. If it's English, if it's two earring, what's the English?
Earring.
That's Visayan. English.
Two cats would be cats.
Yeah. No, it's cat. You say cat.
Honey, I speak English.
Come on, just follow what's in. I'm your teacher. You follow what I say. What's the English if it's two cat? If it's two earring?
The English, if it's two cat, is
cat.
Cats.
No, you say cat.
Cat.
Yeah, that's the English. That's the right English. Okay.
So, if I was talking to someone, I wouldn't say we've got two cats.
No.
I would say we've got two cat.
Yes, very good. That's the correct English.
Honey, are you feeling okay?
No, can you just follow my instruction? So now, when you know about the cat.
I'm trying, but my brain is
How about the
beginning
dog?
to hurt.
The dog. The
Yes.
Visayan of dog is
Dogs.
ero.
Ero.
Okay, what's the Visayan of dog?
Ero.
What's the English of the two ero?
What's the English of
Yeah, if it's two ero.
two ero? Would be two dogs.
No.
You said what's the English?
Yeah, the correct one. You're wrong. Dog. What's it? If it's two.
Dogs.
Dog. Dog. You say dog. 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 Come on, honey. Listen carefully so you
I'm
understand.
trying.
So you know how to speak and be English. You improve your English.
Now, honey, we're supposed to be learning Visayan,
Yeah.
but you're helping me to improve my English.
Yeah, and at the same time, let you learn English, Visayan, and at the same time, you improve your English. What if it's two earring? What's the English if it's two earring?
Earring.
Yeah, what if it's two earring?
Earrings.
Yeah, earrings. If it's English, what's the English of two earring?
2 dogs.
No, cat. Cat. Come on, darling, listen. Put that on your mind. Okay? If it's two arrow,
I'm trying.
if it's two arrow, what's the English? Dog.
Honey,
Dog. Listen,
I-
listen.
I don't understand what you're trying to do.
Now let's proceed. Okay, number 3.
No,
what's the-
number 3?
Yeah. Well, if it's a ball, right?
If it's a boy.
Yeah, ball.
A ball.
Ball.
Okay.
The Bisayan of that is bola.
Bulla.
Yeah.
Bulla.
Okay, bola. Okay, what's the Bisayan of bowl?
Bulla.
Yeah, very good. If it's two bola, what's
That's a load of bulla.
if it's two bola, what's
That
the
would be
English?
a lot of bulla.
No, if it's in English, in Bisaya, a lot of bola. In English, ball.
A lot of balls.
No. But let your brain works.
I'm trying, honey. I'm trying.
Ball.
It's about to give up.
You just repeat. Ball.
Ball.
No, repeat. Pastor.
Ball.
Repeat again.
Bollocks.
No, if it's two ball, you combine the two.
Two.
You combine the two and the ball.
I can't
In
believe,
one word.
I can't believe that you just say the same word twice.
Come on.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Is that true? Is it really true?
Yeah. It's true.
Honey, if I
You
go out,
combine the two and the
if
ball.
I go out and I say bulla bulla, and everybody around will go,
Yeah.
they will.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
correct. I did you very well.
Oh,
If
absolutely.
it's two bola,
Bulla
in
bulla,
in English,
ball ball.
no, no, that's naughty. No,
Does anybody know what this woman is trying to,
no,
to say?
you just combine the toe and the ball. What's the two and the ball?
Can I ask you something?
Listen to me. Just combine the two and the
Can
ball.
I ask you something? Did you order my Visayan
I
lessons?
did.
You did?
Yeah, I messaged already.
Because
No, you cannot learn that. You can learn on me. You can learn. Okay? That's why I'm started. Okay, again, if it's two,
is that a threat?
Yeah.
You're going to teach me?
if it's two cat, what's the English if it's two cat?
Bulla bulla?
No, cat.
What?
Cat?
Eating?
Yeah, very good. Dog.
Oh.
Eh?
Eating?
Ero, ere.
Eating? Okay.
Very.
You get
I think,
scared. I get scared.
I think, darling, you just stay English. You
I
know?
just stay English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Besides, it's too late. It's too late to learn
too late?
Bisayan.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
What time is it? Ah, yes,
Because
it's 20 to 11.
your brain in Bisayan is hard.
My brain is
Yeah.
hard. My brain hurts when we talk sometimes.
It's hard. It's rusty. In Bisaya, your brain is rusty. You don't learn. You need to follow what I say. Again, two ball.
Ugh.
Two ball.
Did you see the time?
It's 11 o'clock. Two
No,
ball.
It's 22. It feels like 11 though.
Two ball? Come on. You say two.
Bulla bulla.
Very good. English.
I can't believe that's right.
English. Your English to bula bula English.
If it was English and it was two,
Yeah.
right? It would be balls. A lot of balls.
No. That's not right. That's not right.
No, I thought I spoke English.
Yes, it's just nonsense. We just don't
How
have
long-
videos.
How long have we been on now, honey?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. It
Bye-bye.
feels like years.